Welcome to the Secret Chef with me, Chef Gazpacho. Today's secret recipe is hey. If I tell you, it won't be a secret anymore. But you can keep a secret, eh? Now to make this recipe, I need the finest ingredients. Only the best for Chef Gazpacho and his mama. Let's take a look at what we're gonna use. Those are gonna cook up so nice. I've got the ingredients all mixed up and ready to go. It's a cooking time. Oh, sole mio. Hey, Chef Gazpacho can sing. Ta-da! Oh no, Mama's gonna be mad. Maybe you can help. I know Mama said to use these two foods. You try to find out number 3. I hope you enjoy my little show. Remember, keep cooking.
Secret Chef was brought to you by